welcome back to my channel. I moved location today. It's getting very cold in the she shed, so I moved upstairs. I want to show you today how to make a centerpiece for Christmas. So this is just a normal cake stand. I have had it for quite a long time. I have some candles. I'm going to use the fake ones. They are really good. These two I borrowed from Queensby. This set, I bought it Poundland, I think. They're Poundland or Pound Stretcher. They're really good. They're £2 or £3 for the set of 3. This I have ordered online on eBay. It's just red berries. They're quite plain, so I'm going to use some fake snow spray to give it a bit more dimension. So the plan is, I'm going to set the 5 candles like so, and I have been experimenting and done the garland around, but I don't really like the way it looks. So it looks quite nice, but not the way I want. So I think I already started. I'm going to cut the bunches, the little things, and I'm going to glue them with hot glue gun. I have my little snipper. So what I'm doing now, I'm just filling in the outside so that they don't move around, they don't fall. I glue them down. I don't think I need to glue the inside ones like so, because they will stay in place. It's just a question of playing with it really, see what best way, how you feel that is right for you. And I'm quite pleased with that. I think it's very pretty and very easy to do really. So, quite simple. Took us what, 5-6 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please don't forget to give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe below so that you can follow me with other videos. I will be doing a few more for this Christmas. So I hope you enjoy them all. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.